Before that, we will know what is a cone.
A cone has a three-dimensional solid shape that has one curved surface, one circular base, and one apex or vertex.
The radius of the circle is the distance from the center of the base to its edge. For the area of a circle is A is equal to pi r squared.
Given that the radius is 160 decimeter and considering pi as 3.40, A equals pi r squared. Substitute pi as 3.40. Substitute radius as 160 decimeter. Next, we will square. A equals 3.40 times 25,600 decimeter squared. Next, we will multiply 3.14 by 25,600 diameter. So the area of the circle is 80,384 decimeters squared.
Next, we will find the volume of the cone. Given values are pi is equal to 3.40, radius is equal to 160 decimeter, and height is equal to 200 decimeter. Formula is volume is equal to 1/3 pi r squared times height.
Therefore, we will substitute pi as 3.40, r as 160 decimeter, and height as 200 decimeter. We will solve for 160 decimeter squared, which is 25,600 square decimeter. Next, we will multiply 25,600 square decimeter by 200 decimeter, which is 5,120,000 cubic decimeter. Then, we will multiply this by 3.40, which is 16,076,800 cubic decimeter. Then, we will multiply this by 1/3, which is 5,358,933.33 cubic decimeter.
Therefore, the volume of the cone is 5,358,933.33 cubic decimeter.
And that is how we solve the volume of a cone.